Hello everyone, I created this tool because I need it all the time. It's 2025, but we are still struggling with the WOFF format. Anyway, so it's easy to download the fonts, so you guys can test it with these test URLs. This is the Google font, and this is CDNFont, and this is the Adobe, okay? Adobe URL is like that, Typekit, okay? Let's check, let's get the new font, okay? So by the way, you should have one font at a time because it is possible to add multiple fonts. For example, let me add another font. So when you guys have two fonts, it will add both of the fonts same time. It may create issue. Let's test it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This time worked because it is small, but sometimes like it creates a problem. Just be sure there is only one font. So when you do that, it gives you like this is a variable font. It doesn't show all the weights because it is variable, one weight to rule them all. So let's add a normal font, static font, okay? For example, this is variable too. Like variable fonts becoming popular lately. This is a good thing actually. I like it. Yeah, I like variable fonts. Crimson, yeah, let's test that. Let's get this font. It's a static font. Copy the URL, test it, boom, and now you have all your weights. By the way, same weight may show multiple times. It is not a bug actually. It is because it has different Unicodes, okay? Like Vietnamese, Latin and stuff like, but you usually need just one. So you don't have to, I mean, you can, but you don't have to use all of them, okay? Because of the Unicode and stuff. For the CDN, same stuff, like go to the CDN, select a font. Oh, look at that. I like this style of fonts. I mean, it's not great for like client works, but I like it anyway. So let's test it. Great, now it works. For Adobe fonts, as you guys know, like you guys need to create the project, okay, from the font, and then you can use it. You need to create add web project, and after you do that, it will give you a Typekit URL, custom URL for you, and then you can just add that. Boom. Now we have fonts. By the way, for this licensed fonts, be careful. Other than Google font, just be careful all the time. Just name it, let's say S, something like that. Because font studio companies are scanning the web. If they find like exactly the same name, they will just harass you, like try to scam you, give me $1,000 or something, okay? Just be careful about it, easy.